Hi, this is Sherman Crancer, Senior Partner Development Manager for Microsoft. We have Tim Tetrick, our Partner Technical Strategist, here in studio. And Tim, let me ask you a question. What is this new tool that came out, Azure Migrate, and why is it super awesome?
Yeah, Azure Migrate, so just went generally available not too long ago, is a tool around today for doing discovery and assessments of your on-premises resources. You can get some great service dependency mapping. You can right-size those on-prem resources into Azure, and it really lets you know, hey, based on the utilization of this machine, what would this look like in Azure? What size of VM, how much storage, how much bandwidth? Great solution. We're looking at only supporting VMware virtual environments today for this tool, but in the future, also going to support Hyper-V, also going to support physical servers. So it's a great solution. Check it out. It's free today for all partners and customers.
All right. Hey, thanks so much for helping us understand that. It's a great tool. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye-bye.